That's the sound of a last goodbye. It's the sound of love's last breath, the whisper of what's left, the memory drifting out to sea, taking all that's left of me. No thunder, no cry, just a hush beneath the sky. If you listen close, you'll find it's the sound of a last goodbye. I taste your name like bitter wine, sweet at first, then sharp with time. Every promise that we made echoes softly, then it fades. The door is open, but you don't move. Maybe silence is our truth. One teardrop falls, we don't ask why. That's the sound of a last goodbye. It's the sound of love's last breath, the whisper of what's left. The candle burns its final flame, but nothing ever stays the same. No thunder, no cry, just a hush beneath the sky. If you listen close, you'll find it's the sound of a last goodbye. We tried to hold forever's hand, but time's a thief we can't withstand. Now all that's left is one last sigh and the sound of a last goodbye. It's the sound of love's last breath, the echo of what's left. The shadow walks where dreams have died, leaving silence by my side. No thunder, no cry, just the truth beneath the sky as your footsteps fade with mine. Oh, that's the sound of a last goodbye.